say dancing is another way to show emotion. For me, it's not just only that. It's the way I speak. It's my terminology to the world, as in, hey, I'm here. I'm willing to show you what I can do, but only if you'll give me that respect to show you what I can do. So my name is Calvin Keon Lagrange Jr. I'm from North Philadelphia, and I just turned 18 February 25th. My mother, she pretty much raised me. She's the reason I am the way I am today, and I'm very thankful for that. I started dancing around the age of 4. My mom put on some music, and I instantly just started staring at the TV like it was something new or inspirational, like it was chocolate. And it was just something I wanted to do. I watched Michael Jackson moonwalk across the stage and was like, hey, I want to be able to do that too. One of my little siblings said, hey, I want you to do this history show with me. And I said, why not? It looks fun. And then I got on the stage and everybody cheered for me as I was doing Michael Jackson, The Way You Make Me Feel. I went behind the curtains and it was an encore. But a lot of the time that I'm dancing, I'm thinking about how determined I am to get on that floor and show off. It's how fast you can move, what you do, and how everyone reacts to what you do. It's more than freedom. It's the best form of self-expression. I'm Calvin Lagrange, and I'm a performer.